Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I got stuff here that I want us to unbox. This is JBL Xtreme 4 next level massive JBL Pro Sound, up to 24 hours of playtime plus 6 hours of playtime boost. Convenient shoulder strap. The main key features: AI sound boost, get the most out of your speaker. AI sound boost analyze the incoming signal in real time while simultaneously using an AI algorithm to predict loudspeaker movement and power response. It pushes the driver to maximum capability, full exploiting the dynamic range for better and more powerful sound. It's also reduced the distortion even at high volume, maximizing the bass output and overall soundness. It's also waterproof and dustproof. JBL Xtreme 4 IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating ensure this portable speaker can handle almost any environment, from poolside party to seaside picnic. Multi-speaker connection by Auracast. Want even bigger JBL Pro Sound. Stereo pair 2 Xtreme 4 speaker for a wider sound stage. So basically, for your biggest party, multiple JBL speaker can be connected wirelessly using Auracast. You can also pump up your party with JBL Party Post by using the JBL Portable app to pair the Xtreme 4 with other JBL Party Post compatible. 3D Dolby Atmos, JBL Party Post, power bank, waterproof, built-in Wi-Fi, JBL One app. So what we want to do is check it out and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make informed choice. Here we go. Brilliant. Xtreme 4, JBL Xtreme 4. Unleash powerful sound everywhere. 24 hours of playtime. IP67 waterproof and dustproof. Power bank. Multi-speaker connection. Nice. Brilliant. So what is in here? Information pack. This is the power bank. This is the strap. The charger. Brilliant. Look at that. Nice. See what it looks like. So this is black color. JBL machine. So this power cable also serves as power bank. So push this inside it. Okay. Then take this end, plug it on to the socket and connect the strap and take this end. There we go. See what it looks like. This is beautiful. And you switch this on and off. This is Bluetooth button. So switch it on and the light is on. You can see the Bluetooth is on. Looking for available Bluetooth device. So you can connect this using JBL app, but I want to connect it in this way. We go to the mobile phone settings, go to connections and Bluetooth, select Bluetooth device, then scroll down and look for JBL Xtreme 4. JBL Xtreme 4 is available. You need to select on it, Bluetooth pair request, select pair, and it's connected. Want to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. This is the audio.
I get why you left. Small-minded people, jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking that I need kiss your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did. I'm here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go right now, adore me, adore me. Oh, so
back in that bag again. Whoa, hey. Back in that, yeah. Tell them to watch it, nine.
one glass shouldn't. Do I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new? That loves like it's a reason. Break the rules. I wanna wake up in the morning. Let me catch my breath. I'm feeling stuck, and I don't know which way to run. I'm on a settled path, a one-way road, and I can't take it anymore. I started, I can't stop it, stop it, stop it. I'm done with feeling lonely, lonely, lonely. I know there's more than working, working, working. So go ahead and show me now. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. It loves like it's a reason. Break the rules. I wanna wake up in the I just wanna dance and lose control. Get me to London or Tokyo. My head's within the clouds. I won't say another night.
This is brilliant. Bass boost.
stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking, I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often, I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids, talking, I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend.
This is brilliant, beautiful. Thank you.